or about some of the sad things that have happened, like the earthquake and the tsunami in the Pacific, or about some of the smaller things that have happened. Like on local news, for instance, we might see a lot of interesting stories. Like, for instance, I was watching my local news yesterday, and there was a tree and a power line that went right by it, and then somehow they just exploded, went up in flame, and that was caught on camera. So that was pretty incredible. So you can come up with lots of ideas from the news. Who else would like to tell me something they see on the news that might give them a story idea?
That real loud so she can hear you.
Fires. Yes, there have been a lot of fires, definitely.
Bomb.
Sorry?
A bomb.
Oh, a bomb? Okay.
The swine flu.
The swine flu, yes, that's on everybody's minds, especially just when the vaccines came out, and so everybody's wondering, should I get the vaccine, and how dangerous is swine flu? And it's a good question. So people are wondering a lot of different things right now. Okay, so we can get many different ideas from watching the news. We can get maybe, we could write about swine flu, maybe in a fictional, in our imaginary country. Maybe they are living peacefully and having a great time, and then something called swine flu comes in, and it's very mysterious, and somebody has to start making a vaccine. So that could be one idea. So it would be kind of close to what's happening now, and you could maybe change a few things. Maybe it could be a long time ago, and maybe it could be in an imaginary country. So swine flu would be a good idea. Or you could write about someone who has swine flu from their point of view and what it feels like. It probably wouldn't feel nice, would it? Natural disasters are another one. So you could write from the point of view of somebody who's trying to rebuild after a earthquake or tsunami. So watching the news is a really worthwhile way of getting ideas for stories. Okay. And I actually watch 3 different news channels on TV. I sort of switch between them. And I listen to news radio in the kitchen. It's pretty much on all the time, NPR. And I also watch news online on my computer. When I use inspirations from watching the news, I get ideas from doing something that I enjoy anyway. Learn. Learning. The things that you learn in school, whether it's history or language arts or science or math, can really give you a ton of different ideas. Raise your hand to tell me something you've learned and how it could give you an idea for a story.